Are you struggling to connect your PostgreSQL data to Power BI seamlessly? Discover how the latest Informatica CDGC update enables full PostgreSQL ODBC support in PowerQuery for efficient and accurate data extraction. We are now supporting PostgreSQL ANSI functions through the ODBC data source. You will see accurate data lineage and hierarchy with proper references for Postgres sources. Post-assignment matching works smoothly and all metadata is correctly extracted and resolved. This means reports, especially those connecting to SAP BW assets, now handle PostgreSQL data seamlessly without extra configuration. In short, PostgreSQL ODBC integration in Power BI PowerQuery makes your data connections cleaner, more accurate, and easier to manage. For more information, please refer to the November 2025 release product documentation. Thank you.